Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Y'all, the phone numbers are in the description down in the description box. Please get those numbers, call them every day, chew their ears off, blow those phone lines up, let them know what we need, let them know our demands, and let them know that their jobs is temporary and they're fast coming to an end. Y'all, welcome to the great roller coaster ride we call a stimulus package. One day it's good news, next day it's bad news, then it's good news again, then it's bad news. Well, I got good news for you today, and a lot of it. Only time will tell if it will stick or not. We are starting to hear from senators that we've never heard before on the stimulus package. It looks like they're wanting another stimulus check. These are senators that's never been in the camera. They've never said nothing about it before, but now they are saying we do need another round of stimulus checks for the people. This is very good, okay? Now, we know the House has passed a stimulus check. We know the President wants a stimulus check. And now we're hearing from senators that we've never heard before that they're wanting a stimulus check. Now, with all of these people wanting the stimulus check, the House wants it, Trump wants it, and now we're getting more and more senators on board that say they want it. Well, with President Trump and the House, most people are not telling you this, but it's very important that we know. We only need 4 senators to say yes to make it happen. We don't need them all. We only need 4. I think we've got that. I think it's a very good shot of us having more than that. So again, it's looking very good for another stimulus check. On July the 2nd, the June's job report comes out. When that comes out, that will determine if they believe we need another stimulus check or not, and how much it will be. But just remember what I just said. Trump wants it, the House wants it, most of the White House wants it. Now, if they don't change our mind, we only need 4 senators. We will get it. And just think about it. If we don't get it, they know their jobs is history. They know they're gone in November. So, with all the doom and gloom that's out there, I still feel 100% confident we will get it. It's just the same old song and dance. Win. The reasons for this is Trump's poll numbers are very bad. All the polls he is losing big time. He's even losing in the swing states. Now, if you remember, when he was elected, the swing states is what got him in office, and he's losing those states big time. Trump sees that he will lose the election if we don't get a stimulus check. So he is the #1 ally pushing for a stimulus check. It may not look like it on the surface, but he is pushing for a stimulus check to save his job. He knows his job is on the line, and he don't want to go down in defeat. He wants to get that second term. That way, when he leaves office, it wasn't because he got fired, it's because he couldn't run again. The man is very proud, and he don't want to go down as a one-term president. Whether we want to believe it or not, Our stimulus check and stimulus package is based on politics. Whether we want to believe that or not, it all stems on politics. On how can they get reelected? What can they give us to get reelected? And they also know that if they don't do anything, they won't get reelected. Now, if the stimulus check is targeted, like some of them are pushing for, which I don't think it will be targeted, but if it is, Trump knows he's out of there. These senators, they know they're out of there because a targeted stimulus check is not fair. They're saying maybe the people that's on Social Security and SSI and disability, maybe they'll be targeted out of getting a stimulus check. That can't happen. Look how many millions of people that's on those programs. Look how many millions of people will not vote them in office again. So I'm not even going to worry about that because it can't be targeted. It's got to be for everybody across the board. And if it is targeted, all of this BLM movement, all of this Antifa stuff, is nothing compared to what they will see. There's a lot of people that's on these programs, and they will be pissed off if they don't get it and other people does. Y'all, the phone numbers in the description box, blow them up. Now's the time to do it. A lot of people are saying that they've been calling every day and it's not doing no good. We don't know that it's not doing no good. But we do know if we don't call, it won't do no good. I call every morning. That's the first thing I do when I get on. I call those numbers. And I'm not nice. Believe me, I'm not nice. We have to vote the people out of office that are not helping us. And right now, there's not many of them that's helping us. They're making us wait. They're making us lose our businesses. They're making us lose our homes. They're making us lose our marriages. They're making people commit suicide because they can't handle it. Y'all, we got to get those people out of office. They're proving that they don't care about us. And I'm still saying that no matter how big the stimulus check is, if we get it, I'm still voting them out of office. They've made American people suffer too long. And if they pass it now, it shows that it was just politically based to get them back in office. I'm not letting that happen, not on my watch. Y'all, the thing about voting President Trump out of office that I worry about, even though he's not helped us a whole lot on the stimulus thing, he's made a lot of mistakes. His mouth worries me. He don't watch his words a bit. His mouth really does worry me. Now, I've always been 100% for Donald Trump. Even before he ran for office, when I was a kid, I used to always say Donald Trump would be a good president one day. But the thing that worries me about voting him out of office is sleepy Joe Biden. Y'all, I am not talking about Joe Biden's political stance right now. I'm talking about his health. The man is in bad health. They hadn't proved that he's suffering from dementia, but it sure appears that he is. The man is frail. He can't get two sentences out without stumbling over his words and forgetting what he's saying. He even forgot his own name one time. And on another speech, he said, we have to vote Donald Trump back in office. He forgot he's running for president. The man is not fit to be president on account of his health. I'm not talking about his political stance. I'm not talking about that at all. I'm talking about his health. If we vote for Joe Biden, who are we really getting for a president? Because I really don't see him finishing his first term because of his health. And he hadn't got a running mate yet. Yeah, there is a short list of people that he's going to choose from, but so far he hadn't chosen anyone. So who will really be our president if we vote for him? His short list don't look that good. So I'm really mixed on whether to vote Donald Trump out of office or not. Yeah, I said we need 100% all new blood in the office. But now, after thinking about this, I don't know. I do know I'm going to vote most of them out. And Donald Trump, his name is still on the chopping block. We'll just have to wait and see how this plays out. Y'all, please subscribe to my channel. I make these videos every morning. They go live at 6 a.m. every morning. Give me a thumbs up, a thumbs down. Leave your comments. Tell me what you think. And tell me what you think about Joe Biden and Donald Trump. I need more information so I can make a decision. Y'all just know, I love you all. Keep your heads up. We will get out of this smelling like a rose. We're Americans. That's what we do. I love you all. Ciao.